Oracle's encrypted logs reveal the infection. Something replaced their trust with primal hunger. First, Huntress crossbow bolts grew feathers that pulled instead of pierced. Then Black Canary's scream became a hunting call. The security footage shows Lady Blackhawk's plane circling endlessly, dropping care packages of severed hands still clutching weapons. The final transmission? Barbara Gordon's wheelchair rolling through the carnage, her voice modulator repeating just 2 words on loop. Flush. Reboot. The camera cuts to static. Then shows your IP address in the corner.